Hi, I'm Joe Fitzpatrick for Understand Photography. In this Photoshop CC quick tip, you will see how to quickly and easily remove unwanted objects from your images. The 2019 version of Photoshop CC has improved on what was already a powerful tool, content-aware fill. In this new version, you will have the complete control over how Photoshop chooses to replace the unwanted objects. I want to remove the pelican on the piling from this image, so first I'm going to make a duplicate layer. Next, I'm going to select the Lasso Tool to make my selection. You can use any of the selection tools. I just like using the lasso. So we just make a selection of the pelican on the piling. It doesn't have to be real precise, you're just trying to select it. Next, we'll go up to Edit, Content Aware Fill, and this brings up the Content Aware Fill window. The view on the left shows your selection. The area from which the fill is generated is shown in green. If you don't see a green area, make sure the Show Sampling Area is checked, and the opacity is around 50%. The view on the right shows the image with the proposed fill. You can magnify the image and move it around. If you like the result, click the output type you want and click OK. Sometimes the fill may include things that you don't want included. In prior versions, there was little you could do about it. Now you can tell Photoshop what not to include and what to include. In this case, the fill includes a lot of the leg and web foot of the pelican. All I need to do is select the erase brush and paint out the areas I don't want included when it makes the fill. Notice it recalculated, and now I have the image just the way I want it. If you want to add to the area, you can change from the erase brush to the include brush. You can also modify the area you've selected by going to the Lasso tool and adding or subtracting from your selection. The right-hand panel has several options in addition to those I already mentioned. You can change the color and have it indicate the area sampled or the area not sampled. The fill settings allow you to modify the fill's color, size, and rotation to more closely match the surrounding area. When you are happy with the fill, choose the output type and click on it. Then click on OK. Once you return to the Photoshop main window, deselect the area by going to Select, Deselect. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can check out our other tutorials and quick tips and watch our weekly show on our website, understandphotography.com. Thanks for watching.